What's up? What's up? Tech Taste Daily with a little unboxing for you. I just got the new Pixel 5 and the new Pixel Buds in the mail. And strangely enough, I did not pay for the expedited shipping. The expedited shipping, I think, was an extra $15 to get it by the 19th, if I remember correctly, or an extra $22 or something like that to get it by the 18th. Today is the 11th, and it's here already. I didn't pay for the extra expedited shipping, and I'm glad I didn't. I was going to say if I did, I'd be mad, but I wouldn't know any better. So anyway, here it is. Let's take a look inside the Pixel 5 box first and see what we've got. Been putting off getting a new phone since, what was I rocking? I'm rocking the Pixel 3. So this is 2 iterations later, I finally decided to upgrade. I guess the Pixel 4 didn't really have enough inspiring specs for me to upgrade. So I stuck with my 3. But now, interesting, we've got the 5, which is 5G. Wow, it's tiny. A little smaller than what I'm used to. Got my Pixel 3 XL here. So, yeah, it's quite a bit smaller. Not sure if you can see that there, but it's quite a bit smaller than what I'm used to. So we'll get that turned on. Or will we? Yeah, we'll get that turned on. I like the little pinhole or punch hole camera there. That's nice. And it did come with a charger. That's awesome. Came with a charger and the USB to USB-C converter there. And then we got the Pixel Buds Bluetooth headphones. That I have really been waiting for. I was actually waiting for them to go on sale or something so I could get a bargain because I lost my old pair. I think I left them in the airport or something somewhere. But these never went on sale, not for Black Friday, not for nothing. They're like pay full retail. Wow, that's smaller than I was expecting. Tiny little charging case. Teeny tiny. Nice. USB-C on the charging side. Let's see what else comes in the box with the headphones. Little ear hole adjusters. Whoop. And just the USB-C charging cable, but no brick. Well, that's interesting because the brick that comes here is USB-C to USB-C. So I guess that's where this converter will actually come in handy. Typically, I use the converter to plug USB microphones and things like that into my phone. But here we could use it to plug that in there and plug that in there. And then we can charge the, whatchamacallit with that. But then again, we don't even need to do that. We could just use our USB-C to USB-C right here and charge the headphones like that there. And if I remember correctly, the headphone case here charges wirelessly as well. So that's what's in the box. Got the converter that came with that, the ear hole adjusters that came with that, and then we've got the teeny tiny little Pixel 5 here. Much smaller than my 3 XL. I don't know how I feel about that just yet, but I'll let you know after I play with it for a while. I'm going to get this charged up and get my SIM card activated, and then we'll see what I think of the new Pixel 5, especially a speed test. We'll definitely have to do a speed test on here with the screen share from the phone. Anyway, that's it. That's all. We got the new Pixel 5 and the new Pixel Buds. I'm going to check them out, and I'll get back to you with the review. Tech Taste Daily.